In this video, I'll be showing you how to buy Bitcoin in Ivory Costa using the payment method cash. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is click country, then look for Ivory Coast. Under Ivory Coast, you should see payment method. Click payment method, then look for cash. Since something should pop up and it should say, we found 3 Bitcoin exchanges in Ivory Coast that accepts cash. Local Bitcoins, Bitcoin ATMs, and MySlium local trader. So I'm going to the video right here. To find more information about the coins, you can click the blue button that says review. And I'll see you on my next video.